Hello students, today in chapter 15 interface with MySQL part 2. In this class we learn about how to perform insert query in Python. So in last episode we learned how we can display all data from the SQL in Python program. Now today in class we will learn how we can insert record in a database through Python program. So we can insert new record in a table with Python program. So we need to run commit function with connection object for queries that change the data of the database table so that are reflected in the database. And to execute SQL query we use execute method. So we learned step by step how to insert record through Python program. So this is our question, which is write a Python program to insert new record in a table of MySQL database school. So our database is school and table is detail, which has three fields: name, city and salary. Detail table has three fields: name, city and salary. So in step 1 which we discussed in last video, that first we open the Python and start ideal, then we write the program. Our step 2 is we import SQL connector module to connect Python with MySQL. So this is import mysql.connector as SQL TOR. Then step 3, I will open the connection. So mycon equal to sqltr.connect. With the connect function we can make connection with Python to MySQL. So host, which is localhost, user, root, password is blank, and our database is school. So generally we know that connect method has 4 arguments: host, user, password and database. Now we are checking that connection is properly made or not. So if mycon dot is connect equal to false, then print error connected to MySQL. Now step 4. In step 4 I make a cursor, I create a cursor. So cursor equal to mycon dot cursor. This cursor is used to execute our SQL query. Now I write a insert query, insert into detail our field name, name, city, salary, and dot format Ram, Ajmer and 5000. So we can insert this record in a table. Now we will execute the query. Our fifth method, cursor dot execute st. So it means st means this insert query. So cursor will execute this command. Then we will use my connection dot commit. So whatever change is made from in this program, it will reflect in the database. So mycon dot commit is used to save the insert data, this data into the database or a table. And last, we will clean up the environment. So our seventh and last step is my connection dot close. So step 1 we import the MySQL connector. Step 2 we will open the connection. Step 3, now we will create the cursor. Then step 4 we will execute this SQL query. Then to save the SQL query result into the table we will use my connection dot commit, and after this clean up the environment my connection dot close. So whenever we open our MySQL database, this record will be inserted. We can insert many records by through this program one by one. So in today's class we learned how we can insert the query in a execute insert query in a Python program to connect database.